Hey, yo, this is Dash, and I wanted to just come on and talk to you guys really quickly. I don't have anything from the range or from a house this week to show you guys or talk to you guys about. But in case you did not know, you've been living under a rock or something like that. This weekend or this coming Sunday is Father's Day. I wanted to take a moment and say happy Father's Day to all of the fathers who are watching this video. If you know a father who's into firearms and maybe in mechanics a little bit like I am as well, please share this video with them, wishing them happy Father's Day, and also share my channel with them so they could be entered into getting that grab bag of the Canic swag at 5,000 subscribers, as well as the bag that I have that I'm going to give away at 10,000 subscribers. So, if you are in the vicinity of Baltimore, I'm going to remind you guys that I work at Cindy's Hot Shots in Glen Burnie. I will be there this coming Sunday, and I am going to be giving away, wait for it, wait for it, high fives and hugs for Father's Day. All you have to do is come in and demand a high five or a hug. The high fives are unlimited, the hugs are limited. I'm not going to give you any old little, pat on the back, sweet. No, we're going to give you a nice embrace to wish you a happy Father's Day. And all I ask you to do is wish me the same down in the comments. So again, I know this is kind of, on a whim, but if you're in the area, come through, see me at Cindy's on Sunday.